I told you that I didn't know where it came from. I always thought that it came from the sky. But last time I got my answer wrong, I had to be corrected. But now the time just flows. Ooh, I can hear your voice, and I thought that it goes down low, and everything you do, I can tell that you are here with me, and we can be happy together. But I know that the road just got close. So why just hold your heart, come to me and tell me that you love me for free. And the roof comes up bed and tells you that you are the one for me, and you're something different, 'cause now you open my heart, and you don't say you love me, and far away your part. No, you told me you loved me, and I was so far. Now we can't even talk that much, 'cause now you let me here, and I'm so glad